Hello, my name is Anantaraman, and I welcome you to our Let's Go Digital project, talent management development and resource allocation project here. With that, I will share my screen and I will introduce my great team here. Our team, we have Tushar Sapre as a project mentor, Lalit Joshi from India, and acts as a project manager and business analyst. And we have Sanjeev Kumar worked as a scrum master, and myself, Anand Raman, worked as a consultant, as also a business analyst. And we have Shashikant Shukla and Priya Achutan as an excellent developers for our project, which they have created the minimal viable product, which I'll be showing you shortly on the demo. And we have Mustafa and Benita. They also have a great project support, and they also have a governance and strategic support for our project. And with this, and I'd like to talk about we have an opportunity based on a problem that we have. Often we have on the hiring, project managers have a lot of challenge with the hiring the right candidate with the required skill set at the right time. They have a huge dependency on the HR team on the hiring the right skill set. Most often they hire through offshore candidates and external candidates, and the project manager have to depend on them, and which causes delay in billing, also causes delay in the project deadline, and it's going to cost a lot of time. As I mentioned, there's a delay in the project if you are not having the right skill set required for the projects. So we have an opportunity where we can find the resource, the right people with the required skill set within MetLife internally. So that our product, it's a solution for this project and the project which we are talking about. With a single button on talent management, development, and resource allocation, employees can update their skill set, get evaluated by the supervisors, and get certified and that evaluated. On the other hand, the project managers can quickly and easily find the right resources for their project. They will update their project requirements with the right skill set, and that search, they'll be able to match it with the right candidates, and they can search it through our product. And with that, it'll be a our database will have a silo of resources with the specific skills of set of skill sets and grade proficiency, different locations and certification, which will reduce a lot of time on the talent acquisition and less external dependency. There'll be no delay in our billing and quickly available of resources. So this is our product. It's going to be a demo, and I will share you the three sections that we talked about. And this is a prototype. It's not a final output, which our developers have made pretty much great information here. And with the skill set form, employees enter the information and where the skill set information with their employee ID name. Again, this is customizable. We can modify what information is required, what information we can, if you want to add more for the project. And this skill set, proficiency, advanced, intermediate, or expert level, the software, and that gets stored in a database, and the detail gets submitted successfully. And project manager can enter mm, that information, and the profile evaluation is going to be where it will be submitted by the supervisors for an employee, where they can see their employee and their the required skill set, and they can evaluate it. They can approve or reject if they have not worked on the project with that skill set. They can reject, or they can approve, and with that validation that they have, yes, they have done this project, and with the PMP certification and the database, it gets stored here. And again, once the action is completed by the supervisors and the records will be submitted, and project details will have the, as I mentioned, the project manager can give the different entity, or it's going to be US or EMEA or India or LATAM or different locations and project site and program, and who's going to be the project lead, the sponsor, and how many full-time employees are required, and they can search with that, and how long the project, what is the required skill set, and what is proficiency, and that information gets stored, whether they want Java or they want .NET, and what grade that they have, everything there. And resource search, where employees can go ahead and search, project managers can go ahead and search the right candidate with the right skill set, as I mentioned. So with this, the search resources, the employee number and candidate and what candidate, everything will be updated here. And with this, we have a great potential, our project and talent management, development, and resource allocation. If we will have the projects, definitely great capability, which can reduce a lot of time and money, and project managers can find the right resources at the right time internally. There'll be a less dependency. And thank you so much. And I hope we can, with that funding, definitely we can achieve this project and we can save a lot of time and money for MetLife.